In this lesson, I will explain to you how to use IPMT and PPMT formula in Microsoft Excel. So we had discussed in our last lesson that suppose here in this example, if we have a loan of 400k at the interest rate of 13% for 5 years, then you have to pay 9,101.23 per month. Definitely you know that in this figure you are paying some part of the interest as well as you are also decreasing your present value. So in order to find out how much interest you are paying and how much your present value is going to be reduced monthly, you have to use IPMT and PPMT formula. IPMT formula will find out how much interest is there in this figure, and PPMT will show you how much your initial value is going to be decreased. So keep in mind again, the formula in Excel starts with equal to sign, and then you have to write down IPMT, right? And then here you have to follow the syntax. First is rate, and you know that rate is constant, period is constant, our present value is constant, so these three values we will fix. And this rate you have to click here, as you know that this is the fix, so you have to press F4 key on your keyboard, right? And then divided by 12. Why? Because this is yearly. We have to convert this rate monthly, that is why you have to divide it by 12, and then comma, we are calculating the interest of first month. You know that there are 60 months in 5 years, that is why I have written 60 starting from 1 to 60, and month we will calculate monthly, that is why we are not going to fix this month, comma, and then period, again we have to fix it, press F4 key, it will convert, D7 cell reference will convert to $D $7, and here we have to multiply by 12 because again this one should be asterisk, right? Because this is years, we have to pay our principal and interest monthly, you have to convert this year into monthly, and then is comma, after comma is our 400k loan, this is fixed, so you have to press F4, close the parenthesis and enter, right? Okay, if you do not want this dollar sign here, so you have to click, see in the home tab in numbers group, this is the comma, click here, it's gone. If you do not want this negative here, so here equal to, then write down minus IPMT, which we had discussed in our last lesson as well. Otherwise PPMT, IPMT, PPMT, your answer will be in negative, right? Okay, now for the second month you have to do the same thing, but I will highly recommend only you can do one or two cells only for practice purposes. The best way is bring your insertion point here and double click, automatically system will fill all the cells for you. And now we are here for PPMT equal to and PPMT, right? Again you have to follow the same syntax. First is our rate, this is constant, press F4, divided by 12 because we are converting into monthly, comma, for first month you have to click here, comma, and then for period again you have to fix this, press F4, here you have to multiply in order to convert into months, comma, and our loan value, fixed it by pressing F4 on your keyboard, close the parenthesis and enter. If you do not want this dollar sign, just click on the comma, and then same thing you have to do. Now I will show you the total. When I will make the total, you can see 9,101 and 23 cent, 9,101, right? Okay, now I'm going to fill all these cells. I will make the total of this, then I will show you the output, right? So this one, the first line, the first column, sorry, should represent our, this is our interest, this one is our present value, which was 400k. It means 400k is our present value, and we are going to pay 146k interest in 5 years, so total 546 we will pay during 5 years period. So this is the function of IPMT and PPMT. You will find out how much interest you are paying, how much your principal value is going to be decreased. When you will compare these two columns, you will see that as we go ahead, our interest decreases and our principal amounts increases. See, here we are paying less interest, but we are paying our more. We are reducing our original payment, which was 400K. So I hope the concept of IPMT and PPMT is clear to you. Please practice it, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.